Google doesn't joke around when it comes to AI, and now it's all set to flip the script with Personal Assistant. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Meet Personal Intelligence, Gemini's biggest upgrade yet, letting Google's AI tap directly into your digital life to give shockingly smart answers. And this isn't just another chatbot, it's AI actually knowing you. Basically, Gemini can now pull context from your own Google apps. Like, it'll go through your Gmail, Google search, photos, and YouTube so it can understand what you're asking without you spelling everything out. Ask about a car problem? Gemini could check your Gmail to see which car you bought, look in photos to find when it was last serviced, and even scan YouTube to see which repair videos you've already watched. No typing, no repeating yourself. It just knows. Google says this is the AI assistant people have been waiting for. The one that plans trips based on your taste, suggests restaurants you'd actually like, and even recommends road trip games you'd enjoy. In one demo, Gemini identified the best tires for a car without being told the model, just by checking the license plate straight from a photo. Some are already calling it the new Siri, and maybe a preview of what Apple users could see in a future iOS update, which is also powered by Gemini. And if you're a privacy fanatic, don't worry. First of all, it's baked in. Second, it won't access anything until you turn it on yourself, and it won't train on your emails or photos. The feature rolls out already in beta to Google AI Pro and AI Ultra subscribers in the US. To turn it on, open Gemini, head to Settings, tap Personal Intelligence, and choose which apps you want to connect. Like it or not, the age of AI is finally here. For more tech details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Best ways to use Google Gemini AI. Google Gemini, developed by Google, is an artificial intelligence chatbot known for its ability to engage in natural-sounding conversations and generate text based on user prompts. This versatile tool offers numerous ways to enhance tasks, such as content creation, information analysis, and planning. As per OpenAI Master, the following are the best ways to use Google Gemini AI. Number 1. Request clarity. To ensure accurate understanding and fulfillment of your request by Google Gemini, it's crucial to express your prompts in a clear and concise manner. Gemini's understanding of your requirements improves as you provide more detailed and specific instructions. Avoid ambiguity and provide sufficient context to achieve the desired results. Number 2. Compare web articles and documents. Google Gemini offers a valuable feature of analyzing and assimilating text from web articles, making it an excellent tool for comparing different sources of information. By providing multiple articles or documents, you can gather insights and perspectives from various viewpoints, facilitating informed decision-making and comprehensive research. Number 3. Include specifics for precision. Enhance the accuracy and relevance of the responses generated by Google Gemini by incorporating specific details into your prompts. By including pertinent information related to your queries, such as dates, locations, or specific requirements, Gemini can provide more precise and tailored outputs, including relevant specifics that will yield the most valuable results. Number 4. Rewrite existing content. Utilize the capabilities of Google Gemini to rephrase or summarize existing text. You can utilize Gemini's AI capabilities to generate alternative versions or condense summaries by providing it with the original content and clearly stating your desired outcome. This feature is particularly useful for content creators, writers, and anyone aiming to streamline their writing process. Number 5. Assist with spreadsheets. In addition to text generation, Google Gemini can provide basic assistance with spreadsheet tasks. Whether you require help in generating data or performing calculations using formulas, Gemini can simplify your spreadsheet-related activities. By providing clear instructions, you can leverage Gemini's computational abilities to efficiently perform calculations or generate data sets. Number 6. Brainstorm and generate content concepts. Google Gemini can be a valuable companion for brainstorming when you need inspiration for projects, stories, or creative content. Engage in interactive discussions with Gemini by offering prompts related to your topic or industry. This will enable Gemini to generate ideas and suggestions fueling your creative process. Through these conversations, you can explore different angles, refine concepts, and gain new perspectives. Create taglines and short copy. Google Gemini is a valuable resource for marketers or advertisers in need of captivating and attention-grabbing phrases. By giving Gemini a concise prompt that includes the specific information you wish to communicate, you can obtain compelling marketing material. Feel free to ask Gemini to develop or polish its ideas, ensuring that the language used aligns perfectly with your desired tone and style. Number 8. Plot project timelines. For effective project management, Google Gemini can assist in plotting timelines. Gemini has the ability to create visual project timelines by incorporating your specified deadlines, milestones, and task dependencies. This feature enables you to efficiently plan and track the progress of your projects, ensuring that all tasks are accomplished within the designated timeframes. To harness the power of Google Gemini, make sure to visit gemini.google.com and sign in using your Google account. This will grant you access to all its capabilities.
Google Drive's new Gemini AI lets you chat with your files. Plus, Google's AI mode is now open to everyone in the US, taking on ChatGPT with next-level search tricks. But there's a catch for Drive users. GadInsider is unpacking the hottest Google AI updates. You won't want to miss this. Hey GadInsider crew, Google's dropping major AI upgrades. Google Drive's new Gemini AI conversation feature is here, but it's locked to paid Google Workspace users. Meanwhile, Google's AI mode is expanding with powerful search tools for all. We've got the latest on both. Let's break it down. First up, Google Drive's Gemini AI conversation feature. This lets paid Google Workspace subscribers talk to their files. Need a specific doc summary or data from a spreadsheet? Just ask and Gemini pulls answers instantly. Leak suggests it can handle complex queries like finding project details across multiple files or generating insights from your data. It's like having an AI assistant inside Drive, but only for Workspace Business or Enterprise plans, leaving free users out for now. Next, Google's AI mode is going big. Previously waitlisted, it's now open to all US users 18+ who sign up for Google Labs. AI mode lets you ask complex questions and follow-ups right in search, rivaling Perplexity AI and ChatGPT search. Some users are even seeing an AI mode tab in Google search, making it easier to dive into deep queries. This is Google's push to dominate AI-powered search. AI mode's new left side panel on desktop is a game changer. It saves your past searches, letting you pick up where you left off, perfect for research or long projects. Plus, visual place and product cards bring detailed info like restaurant ratings or real-time prices for vintage shops. Imagine browsing local spots with all the deets at your fingertips, powered by AI for speed and accuracy. Why is Google doing this? They're gunning for AI supremacy. The Drive Gemini feature makes Workspace a must-have for pros, while AI mode's expansion takes on ChatGPT and Perplexity with smarter, more visual search. Leaks hint at local processing for faster responses, giving Google an edge. Whether it's chatting with files or deep diving searches, Google's AI is flexing hard. Why is this epic? Google Drive's Gemini AI could transform how we work with files, and AI modes making search smarter for everyone. From project management to quick shopping, Google's AI is leveling up. But will free Drive users get love? And can AI mode outshine its rivals? We're pumped to see where this goes. If you're hyped for Google's AI revolution, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech leaks.